Hey everyone, it's Ben from SunCoast Blinds. Today we're going to talk about shutter basics. Today's basic feature of a shutter is the tilting mechanism. In the shutter behind me here, you'll see our traditional tilt bar, which is what you use to rotate the louvers from an open to a closed position. With a traditional tilt bar, you get that traditional look of the vertical stick going down the shutter. It gives your hands something to go to when you physically touch the shutters, so you don't have to grab the louvers for rotating them open or closed. The con of a traditional tilt bar is that you've got to look through it. It's there. So if you don't like the look of that, you can remove that and give you a clear view option, which we'll talk about next. And for this shutter here behind me, we have the clear view. It's the clear view because it removes the tilt bar going down the center. This gives you your cleaner, more contemporary look versus that traditional tilt bar that you saw previously. In order to rotate these louvers, you touch a louver, move them up and down. You do have to touch the louvers, so that risks fingerprinting. Not a big deal. They clean quite easily. The only drawback of this particular shutter is that there is this rail in the back that connects all the louvers together. You do not touch it, you don't interact with it, but it's there. So if that little rail in the back drives you nuts, you can still have that clear view look of the Plantation shutter, eliminating the tilt bar down the side, clear view looking out, and if you can really see in detail, there's no rail here in the back. This is what we call our gear view shutter. So all the tilting mechanisms on the inside of the shutter, completely invisible. This is an upgraded option, so it costs a little bit more, but if you're really particular and you want to eliminate that bar, we have the gear view option as your third option for rotating the louvers on shutters. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed Shutter Basics.